everybody. Thanks for tuning in to Steve's Small Engine Saloon again. Here's my website, .com right there. Check that out when you get a chance. Got a quick little link up here for you too. Hey, you guys got a fuel filter that looks like this on your equipment? These are junk. I'm going to show you why right now. I can actually look up at a light bulb and look right through that thing. And all I can see is this little screen in there. Now, I can't get my camera in there good enough to show you guys, so I took one and I cut it apart so we can see what is actually in this. Look at this. It's a screen. You can see right through that screen, no problem. I don't even consider these things a fuel filter, to be honest with you. They're going to strain like pieces of sand out, bugs and stuff like that. But all the stuff that's actually getting into your carburetor to plug your carburetor up will go right through that screen. No problem. If you have one of those fuel filters on your equipment, cut it off, throw it right over your right shoulder, and put one of these on. This is what I consider an actual true fuel filter. Now, let's cut that one open and see what's in there. We bust that open, and here's the little element in here that is actually filtering your fuel. Clearly, we don't need to talk about microns and stuff. You take that screen right there, you put those side by side and look at them. I mean, it's obvious which one is going to filter your fuel better than the other one. These two fuel filters are virtually the same price. I got a link right underneath this video in my description so you can go check these out and see how inexpensive these are. Virtually the same price as these. This one's junk. This one is a proper fuel filter. You have one of these little fuel filters on your equipment and you take it off and you replace it with this, I guarantee you that you will have less carburetor problems. Your carburetor is not going to be plugging up as much as it would with one of these stupid things. Wow, that was quick. Good, junk, simple as that. That's my opinion on these fuel filters right here. I hope I helped some of you guys out there. I think I did. Subscribe to my channel. Give me that thumbs up button. That'd be cool. And you know what else? If you want to see another video, click on that one right there next. You're going to love that one too. And until my next video, oh yeah, Lucky Logger. Good enough? Steve out.